Hi, welcome to Jeremy's Workshop. I know a lot of you are into home improvement and maintenance because Lowe's and Home Depot are always packed right now. I know I enjoy working on my own home. I get a sense of accomplishment from it. But today I wanted to use my own workshop to talk about a couple other types of improvement and maintenance things. So I wanted to talk about credit. As a lot of people are thinking about buying a home this year, I thought it'd be an important time to use this as a little short credit workshop. Talk about things like credit history, credit availability, and types of credit. I wanted to give you 7 quick tips, and hopefully you find it helpful. So number one thing you can do is check the accuracy of your credit report. According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the right to obtain a free credit report once a year. And there are 3 different credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can go to different websites. One of them is annualcreditreport.com, and you can pull up a copy of your credit reports. Step 2 is pinpoint what you need to improve. There's different types of things that make up your credit score. 35% of your score is made up from payment history. So that means paying your bills on time, and the longer it's been since any late payments, the better your score would be. 30% of your credit score is made up of the amount of debt that you have. And about 15% of your credit score is made up of the age or the history of your accounts. So the longer you have credit lines, the better it looks. That's why it's important not to close any unused accounts. About 10% of your credit score comes from the account mix, or the types of credit that you have, such as revolving credit like a credit card, or installment credits like car payments or student loans. And about 10% of your credit score is made up of history of credit applications. That means if you're pulling credit a lot and applying for a lot of new credit, it can negatively impact your score. Number 3 is fix your late payments, especially student loans. You will need to be current with the IRS and student loans in order to get a government-backed mortgage. Tip number 4, clear any outstanding collection accounts. Start with the smallest balances first, or utilities, things that might be easier to take on. You can possibly dispute some of your old collections, but check with your mortgage lender first if you are planning to buy a home, just to make sure that that's the right thing to do. Tip number 5, open more credit. The more trade lines you have on your credit report, the higher it can make your credit score. If you're having trouble opening new trade lines, one thing you can do is you can establish a secured credit card or credit builder programs. You might contact your bank to see if they have any programs available that can help you establish a secured credit line. Tip number 6, maintain your revolving credit, which is like credit cards, under a 30% balance if possible. You want to be under 50% of your credit limit, but if you can be under 30%, it's even better. And tip number 7, if you're having a hard time getting your payment down under 50 or under 30%, call your credit card company and see if they'll increase your credit limit. That way it'll make your ratios lower. We have different tools available if you're interested in seeing what it will take for you to get a mortgage. We have credit expert programs. We can plug some information into a database to see exactly what are the best steps for you to take to increase your score the most efficient way possible. If I can help you in any way, feel free to contact me directly. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.